The best keyboards is probably one of the most essential components for any computer setup, offering both functionality and style. When choosing a keyboard, it's important to consider factors such as the type of switches, the form factor, and any additional features like RGB lighting or programmable keys. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 keyboards and their key features plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 5. LOGITECH K350 Keyboard. This keyboard has been around for almost 20 years and is still going strong. It offers a great typing experience at a budget-friendly price. Looking for a budget-friendly keyboard option? The LOGITECH K350 is a great choice with its low price and solid performance. Get comfortable typing experience with this keyboard. It's designed for long hours of use without causing strain on your hands. You can rely on the LOGITECH K350 for consistent performance. It's a durable and reliable keyboard that won't let you down. With its classic design, the LOGITECH K350 has stood the test of time. It's a timeless option for those in need of a reliable keyboard. What we like. For those on a budget looking for a surprisingly viable option with a low price and decent typing experience. If you are looking for an affordable keyboard that has been tried and tested for 20 years, you should consider this. What people say. Surprisingly excellent product. This keyboard is ergonomic and easy to type with. Fits nicely on my desk. Number 4. FREESTYLE Edge RGB. Experience top-notch ergonomics with this gaming keyboard, designed to keep your wrists and hands comfortable during long gaming sessions. Take care of your wrists with this keyboard, perfect for gamers who prioritize the health of their hands during intense gaming marathons. Enhance your gaming experience with this keyboard that offers superior ergonomics, ideal for serious gamers looking to improve their performance. Choose this keyboard for its ergonomic design, tailored for gamers who are dedicated to protecting their wrists and hands during extended gaming sessions. Raise your gaming performance with this keyboard that prioritizes ergonomics, ensuring your wrists and hands are comfortable and supported throughout your gaming sessions. What we like. For gamers serious about ergonomics and wrist-hand health, the FREESTYLE Edge RGB offers best-in-class ergonomics in a gaming keyboard. If you are looking for a gaming keyboard that prioritizes ergonomics, you should consider this. What people say. Right now, the KINESIS FREESTYLE Edge is the best relatively conventional ergonomic keyboard you can buy. No exceptions. Glad to see these are now available. For months at the beginning of 2021 they were unavailable. Number 3. Cloud9 ERGOTKL. Looking for a more ergonomic typing experience? This split keyboard is perfect for work or play. With the Cloud9 ERGOTKL, you can type with ease and reduce strain on your wrists and hands. Increase your productivity with this excellent keyboard that is designed for ultimate comfort. Whether you work from home or in an office, the Cloud9 ERGOTKL is a great choice for all. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to a more comfortable typing experience with this keyboard. What we like. The Cloud9 ERGOTKL provides an excellent split keyboard option for those seeking a more ergonomic typing experience for both work and play. If you want a keyboard that can enhance your typing experience for both work and play, you should consider this. What people say. I am extremely happy with it, how it was packaged, how it sounds, feels, and the speed accuracy. This keyboard presents itself as a well-architected device with a great deal of engineering attention to detail. Number 2. KINESIS TKO Gaming Keyboard. Experience bold and helpful features that enhance your gaming experience, making every keystroke count. The keyboard seamlessly combines competitive and ergonomic design elements, providing a comfortable and efficient typing experience. Experience an awesome vision brought to life through the KINESIS TKO Gaming Keyboard, designed to elevate your gaming setup to the next level. Elevate your gaming experience with the KINESIS TKO Gaming Keyboard, offering a seamless blend of competitive features and ergonomic design. Enjoy efficient and comfortable typing with the KINESIS TKO Gaming Keyboard, designed to optimize your performance during intense gaming sessions. What we like. The KINESIS TKO gaming keyboard offers a unique blend of competitive and ergonomic features in a bold design. If you are looking for a gaming keyboard that combines competitive features with ergonomic design, you should consider this. What people say. The primary use of this keyboard is for gaming with a focus on customization and ergonomics to make it stand out from the other keyboards in this category. The triple spacebar key was particularly handy for giving the strong thumb access to multiple functions. Keys with the option to tap and hold for a secondary action are particularly handy for small-handed gamers. Number 1. Logitech Wave Keys. Introducing a wireless keyboard that prioritizes comfort and functionality. It's user-friendly and budget-friendly. Upgrade to a keyboard that offers ergonomic design and easy usage. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to productivity. With Logitech Wave keys, typing becomes a breeze with its ergonomic layout and intuitive features. Enjoy a seamless typing experience. Experience the benefits of an ergonomic keyboard without breaking the bank. Logitech Wave keys offers comfort and functionality at an affordable price. Upgrade to a keyboard that not only enhances your productivity but also prioritizes your comfort. Logitech Wave keys is the perfect blend of functionality and affordability. What we like. The Logitech Wave keys is an excellent entry-level ergonomic keyboard that is wireless, easy to use, and affordable. If you are new to ergonomic keyboards and want a wireless option that is easy to use and affordable, you should consider this. What people say. It's quiet, it's everything that was great about the old Wave in a smaller, more practical package. I used to use the old Wave keyboard from about 2010 to 2015 before I got into mechanical keyboards. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.